Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Install Git and sign into GitHub, then enable two-factor authentication for safety. Once done, create a repository to hold call assets, name a default branch, and push an initial README. Next, set up a WebRTC client or test library locally and grant camera and microphone permissions so the app can access media devices. This first batch of steps gets your code and environment aligned. Make sure the repo and local branch sync before moving on. Now you integrate signaling and media flows into the repo. You create a feature branch and implement the call logic, offer, answer, and ICE candidate handling. Then open a pull request so teammates can review. For signaling, either run a socket server or leverage lightweight GitHub actions to exchange session metadata. Choose the approach that suits latency needs. Also, use environment variables for API keys, commit a template file, and make sure secrets are never pushed to the repository. Finish by deploying to a staging environment through CI, and run tests that verify media tracks, latency, and reconnection behavior. Once deployed, test calls across networks and browsers, including mobile, and confirm video layouts like 16:9 scale correctly. If the call fails, first check camera and microphone permissions, then inspect ICE server configuration, NAT or port blocking, and browser console logs for SDP errors. If needed, restart the signaling service and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.